It's the morning of day 3, and happy to report that everybody is doing good. Just gave them some more food in their dish, and they look pretty much the same way that they did yesterday. But we got to document the process, so this is the beginning of day 3. So one of the things that you have to worry about with baby chicks is something called pasty butt, according to the internet. And sometimes if their vent gets clogged with poop, like this one's got some, you have to pick them up and take a warm washcloth and just kind of keep wiping until that comes off. And it gets dried on there pretty good. So if anybody's thinking about getting chickens, just know that you're going to have to wipe their behinds so that they don't get constipated from sticky or from pasty butt. And it really gets stuck on there. So this takes a while. We'll speed this up later in the video. And they don't care for it very much. They usually scream while I do it. There. All better.
Get away from that guy.
Another thing that I've noticed on day 3 is that they're all getting, their wing feathers are coming in and they're losing their down feathers. So each of them are getting these more pronounced feathers on the backs of their wings, and it's only day 3. And the instinct to scratch is undeniable. They'll eat out of here, but they really want to scratch. Like that. We haven't made very many videos today because I've been outside in the yard working on the coop and the hen house, but there are a couple of things to report here at the end of day 3. One of the things I was working on today was their automatic watering system, which uses these little watering nipples. So I put a watering nipple inside of the brooder today so that maybe they could get used to it when they move outside. So this is what it looks like. So I took a little plastic jar and I mounted one of these watering nipples to it. So when they peck the little silver dot, water comes out. So I figure if they get used to it here, that they will know what to do when they move outside. They haven't quite figured out how to push the button yet, but they do know that water comes out of that thing and they get all excited and then they drink. Oh, out of the way. Yeah, I know. And then the other thing that they like to do is Ann likes to crush up their feed and sprinkle it on the paper towel so that they get their scratching.